Population in Thurmond, 2.
Please like and subscribe to the channel for more.
Today we are literally stepping back into the 1800s. So come with me as we explore a real time capsule town, Thurmond in West Virginia. Thurmond was one of the busiest railroad in the 1800s in the United States. Population in Thurmond, 2. Yes, only 2 residents still lives in Thurmond today. So actually it was a coal mine in the 1800s and also one of the busiest railroad station in America. Like business were booming here, like everyone wants to be here. And up there in the mountains, that's where all the houses used to be. There's still a bunch of empty decay houses up there, but they closed everything down because, you know, they're not safe at all for us to go in and wander around. Look, the homes go all the way back up there. Merlin Brown House. This is the back door. Everything is boarded up. Guys, it's crazy how I feel like I step back into time, literally. Like it feels like everything is just frozen. Like back in the 1800s. This place is loaded with camera, and people have mountain bikes going up in the mountains. Wish I had one, because I don't know how these people climb this hill. Crazy. There are so many homes here to see. Let's go check out this one up here. Check out the inside. Like, look, everything is rotten. See the roof? It's rocked. The whole houses, like, they're so unsafe. No wonder they have no trespassing. But look at this. Like no trespassing sign is everywhere, because all the houses, they are like about to fall down and collapse. They're all rotten. Like, just think of this. This town was found in the 1800s, and these homes are dated back from the 1800s to the early 90s. And that's the original post office. Yeah. And then that was the railroad station back down there. And like all the activities were right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna check out up here. I guess this is where the only residents live. There's only 2 residents in this area. So maybe that's where they live, because the mailbox is right down there. That's crazy. 2 people live here. Gotta be. This is where the 2 people live. So guys, and this is the church. Yeah, that's the church. But I think they remodeled it. I'm gonna go a little further up. See what's going on there. Look at this. I think these were homes or something, or shed. So guys, those are brand new homes. And they said the population here is 2. And there's our curtains hanging. So those are probably the homes where the 2 people live. Gotta be. I don't want to go any further. Okay, let's turn back, because then we're gonna invade their privacy. I think I'm the only one came this far. So that's where the only 2 residents live. And yeah, and that is the church right there. Oh. Wow, this is just crazy. And that's the river down there. Wow, this is really incredible. All this closed up. Can we get in there? They're all closed. still going. Wow, that was awesome. That train is probably about 2 or 3 miles long. Like, we've been standing here waiting for the train to go by. Wow. Yeah, so you can just imagine when, you know, things were booming here back in the days. Like, people were everywhere. Like, it was really crowded. And the train trestle, the train tracks, and the sidewalks were so close together. Like, people could actually touch the trains when they were passing by. I mean, like you see, I could actually touch the train if I wanted to. This just fascinates me. Wow. Yeah, it's crazy just walking through Thurmond today. It's like stepping back in time. This is just crazy. Like, guys, you gotta experience this. Wow, it's mind-blowing. The place feels like it's just frozen in time. Yeah, guys, that was fun. It's time for me to go. Yeah, this day, full worth it. I really enjoy myself here, and I hope you enjoy the video as much as I do. I really felt like I'm back in time. You know, I like to visit places like this where it feels like I was stuck in time. And especially to experience the train, you know, just passing by, and how close that train was to me. That was the icing on the cake, just for the experience of the train. The train was so close, I could reach out and touch it. And imagine hundreds of people it was so busy, where people were drinking in the casinos, partying, and, you know, and just wandering around. There were also a school here. And imagine that all of this the train was so close to these people just passing by. That's unbelievable. Blow my mind, absolutely. That was fun, guys. And I'm gonna say goodbye, and I'm gonna end the video here, and I will see you next time. Goodbye from West Virginia. See you soon.